I'm gonna make this really quick, but I found some units at this place, so air conditioners and roller coasters, and these are pretty noisy Goodman. Wait, what? Oh, I think these have rotaries in them. Oh wait, what? 407C was this range. Really hard. Yeah, this is a GSC 10,009. It is from 2014, I think. And wow, that line is ice cold. This is burning hot. This is burning great. That's the compressor sound. It's a rotary. This one is little. Anyways, yeah, wait, this is also from 2014, I think. Yeah. Here's this train unit on the side of the road. It's a big old one. No, I don't think so. This is only wet because it's wet. Model number TTA 18ZUV. Oh, it's from 1996. And I think it's 300 tons, I don't know. Holy shit, that is a huge compressor. There's a massive reciprocating compressor there. And another one there. It's like a really tall one. No, that is huge. I'd like to see that thing running. But yeah, come back. I don't think so. Found some Carrier Geminis. Fortunately, none of these are running. Oh, there's a big scroll compressor in that one. This one as well. 14, I think, 2014. Yeah. I think this is. Oh, where's the compressor in that one? This is an older one, I think. Anyways, none of these are running. I'd like to come back here when they're running. I found some units at Icon Park. Move, you're in the way. Well, unfortunately, these are not running, but there are other ones. I think I'll come back later and film these. I don't think this has even been running. Yeah, that has an Alliance, I think. Yeah, Alliance compressor. I don't know where the year from compressor is. It might be an LG. Yeah, probably. Oh, it's so wet everywhere. I think it's an LG. This is from 2014. Yeah, I can't tell. Oh, that one is from 2022. There were others, but they were running, but I'll film them next time. I'm gonna make this really quick, but here are some units, like 2 Carriers. This one is from 2008, I think. I imagine that one is the same. I think this is a new Goodman. I think it has a rotary and a sound blanket. It is from 2024, I think. Anyways, on that side there's some cooling towers. I'll get a closer look at them, and I think my stupid camera is upside down. I don't know why. What the hell? I'll make this quick because there are cameras around here, but here's a Train XR, but it's not running. Oh, it has a red compressor. I don't know where the data is. I'm not gonna get to it. Anyways, I'll go this way now and see what else I can find. I'm gonna make this really quick because there's people around and there's a busy road. But here's a tiny ream with a Copeland screw. It's from 2012, and I think it's like a 1 ton. And there was also another mini split. Oh wait, yeah. Like there's this old thing here, but unfortunately, like none of these are running. I don't even know what that is. I think it's like an old Sanyo. And I'm not going to bother getting the data off of it. So I'll go on to the next units. I'm going to make this really quick because there are people around. But here's a Sparklet. We also have... those units there. But there's a lot of people around. It's pretty risky, so I'm not going to bother. That sounds awful. In this think those things are running. Those are really loud. Those are like tiny blower fans. And there's another fan here. But there's also this massive fan here. Like, this is one of the biggest parking garage fans I've ever seen, I think. Look how huge this thing is. And there's a smaller one here as well. But that one is, look how big that one is. That is a huge fan. Wow. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go this way. Oh yeah, look how big that thing is. Oh, there's also a bunch of mini splits over here, but I don't really feel like going up to them. Here's some units running at a restaurant. Right here, receipts. Wait, what? It's only this one. And it's not even going out further. Oh, these have scrolls in them. I can't read that. It's just this one that's running. I don't know what years. Also scrolling it. I can't find the data on that one. It sounds nice though. Here are some carriers. Oh, this one, they were running before. Oh, you know what?
Could make a startup, I guess.
2013. There's only the one back there that's running though. But yeah. Here's some more units at Fun Spot. This one sounds nice. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a Carrier Gemini, but I can't get to the data on it. That was really nice. There's a Carrier base model. There's another Carrier there. And two more Carrier Geminis. Oh, there's another one there. It's kind of noisy. I wonder if it has a bristle. Maybe.
Although I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Yeah, we should wait. Perhaps.
You want to wait for a startup?
Yeah. But I want to see what compressor. I'll make this quick. Some Goodman's in the brand. Oh, that's got a bristle. That one is real. Yeah, these bristles. Has this been running? Oh, this has a Copeland. Nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna get the data on them because they're Goodmans, but whatever. Check out this hurricane damage. Look at this.
Yeah, by the way, we were all saying.
Yeah, I think this is like the most of the damage. Here's some units at this house. I'm gonna make this quick, but there's a Lennox right here, and there's a small Amana, and I'm not gonna get the data off of them because it's someone's house. So, anyways, there's something really loud in here. Like a fan or something. Oh, shit. Damn, look at this. Don't touch that. Oh no, I think it's generator. Holy crap, it's loud. Yeah, but it's generated. Holy crap. I can hear this thing from like several blocks away. So it's just a generator for this huge building here. Crazy. Yeah.